Imagine standing on a planet where the sky glows like fire, the air is thick with poison, and raindrops are not water, but burning acid. The ground beneath your feet is hot enough to melt metal, and the pressure around you feels like being crushed by an ocean. Welcome to Venus, the planet that could have been Earth's twin, but instead became the most terrifying hellscape in our solar system. Once upon a cosmic time, billions of years ago, Venus and Earth were almost indistinguishable. Similar size, similar composition, and maybe, just maybe, both had oceans. But where Earth chose the path of life, Venus spiraled into death. The sun's growing heat triggered a runaway greenhouse effect on Venus. Water that once might have cooled the planet boiled away into steam, thickening the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide trapped heat like a giant oven, and Venus became the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the sun. How hot? Around 465 degrees Celsius. That's enough to melt lead, cook your skin instantly, and turn spacecraft into toast. But the nightmare doesn't stop there. The air itself is toxic, filled with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. If you tried to breathe here, your lungs would burn before you even suffocated. And the pressure? It's about 90 times stronger than Earth's atmosphere, the same as being a kilometer underwater. You wouldn't just die, you'd be crushed flat in seconds. Now here's the haunting part. Scientists believe Venus once looked like Earth. Imagine oceans sparkling under alien skies. Maybe even a chance for life. But over millions of years, climate chaos transformed paradise into hell. It's a grim reminder that even Earth isn't immune to such changes if balance is lost. But what if humans tried to land there? Our spacecraft have already attempted it. The Soviet Union's Venera missions in the 1970s and 80s managed to touch down. But the longest any of them survived was just over 2 hours. Cameras melted, instruments fried, and the probes were swallowed by Venus's fury. To this day, Venus remains one of the hardest planets to explore. Yet scientists are obsessed with it. Why? Because Venus holds secrets. Studying it could teach us about Earth's future. Could our own world one day follow the same path? Could climate change slowly turn Earth into a second Venus? And here's a chilling twist. Astronomers recently detected strange chemical signals in Venus's upper atmosphere, like phosphine gas, which on Earth is linked to microbial life. Could it be that while the surface is a furnace of death, the clouds above might still harbor something alive? Floating microbes surviving in acid clouds like tiny alien airships? It's a mystery that keeps scientists awake at night, but there's another what if. What if humanity one day tried to colonize Venus? Forget living on the ground, that's impossible. But some futurists dream of giant floating cities, hovering above the deadly surface, where conditions are strangely more Earth-like. Imagine entire cities suspended in the skies of Venus, drifting above the clouds of acid. It sounds like science fiction, but so did flying once. Venus is more than just a hell planet, it's a mirror, showing us both the fragility of worlds and the resilience of exploration. So, next time you look up at the night sky and spot that bright star-like glow of Venus, remember, you're looking at Earth's dark twin, a planet that reminds us how close heaven and hell can be, separated by just a twist of fate. Would you dare to set foot on Venus, even for a single moment? Or is it better left as the warning flame in our solar system's story? This was Planet Venus, the story of a hell planet. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stories that bring the universe to life. Only here on Info Family.